Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for 2025. How to get money off Zelle without a bank account. If you're someone who's unbanked or just doesn't want to link a traditional bank, this guide will help you navigate the options. Zelle is a popular app for quick money transfers, but it typically requires a bank account. Don't worry, there are workarounds that make it possible. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is Zelle? It's a digital payment network that lets you send and receive money directly from your phone. Normally, you'd need a linked bank account, but in 2025, with more fintech innovations, alternatives are emerging. One of the easiest ways is to use a prepaid debit card. Many prepaid cards, like those from services such as NetSpend or Green Dot, can be linked to Zelle. Start by getting a prepaid card, load it with funds, and then link it in the Zelle app. Once linked, you can receive money directly to that card and withdraw it at an ATM or use it for purchases. Another option is to transfer Zelle funds to a mobile wallet or a peer-to-peer payment app that supports cash withdrawals. For instance, apps like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App might allow you to connect with Zelle indirectly. Here's how. Receive the money via Zelle to your prepaid card, then transfer it to your mobile wallet. From there, you can cash out at participating stores or ATMs. Keep in mind, this might involve some fees, so always check the rates. Now, let's talk about potential challenges. Not all prepaid cards work with Zelle, so verify compatibility on the Zelle website. Also, be aware of any limits on transactions. Zelle often caps daily or weekly amounts. In 2025, look out for new features like direct cash pickup options through partnerships with services like Walmart or retail stores, which could make this even easier. To wrap it up, getting money off Zelle without a bank account is doable with a bit of planning. Always prioritize security by using trusted services and double-check for the latest updates, as things can change quickly. If you're new to this, start small and test the waters. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.